discovered by analysis from links of a chain in his memory. The fact that the child does not very intensively miss those who are absent has been realized to her sorrow. To many mothers that she has returned home from an absence of several weeks, and she has been told, upon inquiry, the children have not asked what their mother wants. If she really departs to a discovered country from those born no traveler returns, the children seem at first to have forgotten her, and only subsequent do begin to remember their dead mother. While therefore the child has motives for denying the absence of another child, is lacking in all those restraints which should prevent it from closing this wish in the form of death wish. The psychic reaction to the dreams of death wish proves that, in spite of all differences of context, the wish, in the case of the child, after all identical with the corresponding wish in the adult. If then the death wish of the child is respect of his brothers and sisters is explained by his childish egoism, which makes him regard his brothers and sisters as rivals, how we are to account for the same wish in respect of his parents, who bestow their love at him and satisfy his needs, and those preservation he ought to desire for these very egoistical reasons. Toward a solution of this difficulty, we may be guided by our knowledge that very great majority of dreams of the death of parent refer to a parent of the same sex as dreamer. So the man general dreams of death of his father, woman of the death of her mother. I do not claim that this happens constantly, but it happens in a great majority of cases, so evidence that requires explanation by the same factor of general significance. Broadly speaking, it's also a sexual preference made itself felt in an age as Truboy regarded his father, girl, her mother's rival in love, by whose removal he or she could but profit. Before rejecting the idea as monstrous, let the reader again consider the actual relationship between parents and children. We must distinguish them as the traditional standard of conduct, the filial piety expected in this relation, and what daily observation show us to this effect. More than one occasion for enmity lies hidden amid the relation of parents and children. Conditions are present in the greater bonds under wishes which cannot pass the sense about rise. Let us first consider the relationship between father and son. In my opinion, the sense with which we have endorsed the introduction of the dialogue dulls our perception of reality. Perhaps we hardly dare ourselves to perceive the greater part of humanity. Neglect to obey the physical matters, the lowest as well as the highest strata of human society, filial pity towards parents, want to proceed before other interests. The obscure legends which have handed down us from primal ages of human society, mythology, and folklore give us a deplorable idea of the despotic power of the father, the ruthlessness which it was exercised. Kronos divorced his children as well, bore divorced the literal of the soul. Those emasculates his father takes place as rule, as the more tyrannical the father ruled in ancient females, the more surely must the son at his appointed have assumed the position of the enemy, the greater must have Repetitore.